Has this ever happened to you? If yes, then don't worry, because I came up with a solution. Okay, so the project is simple. Since the regular alarm clock is not waking me up, we need to go stronger. We need to make something way better. And in this case, all we're gonna do is just strap some fireworks. Yeah, strap some fireworks to the alarm clock. Then we're just gonna remotely activate the alarm clock, and then there's gonna be a 0% chance we miss it. So follow along. Alright, so I should quickly clarify that we are going to be using legal fireworks. All of this is fully legal, by the way, and it's all for educational purposes, and do not try to recreate this at home. And then let me take out the SD card before I fuck anything else up. So for the first 2 hours I was struggling because turns out my iron wasn't hot enough doing this. I switched to a different iron. Maybe I need to let it get even hotter. I'll be right back. Yes. We're doing it. Okay, holy fuck. That must have taken like 2 hours. I mean, I don't know if the camera's gonna focus, but you can see that, like, I don't know, I somehow did it, even though it was crazy hard. In theory, it should work. I'm not sure if it will, but yeah. Guys, huge news for the unemployed. Look at this. Seeing that little LED there? I just resoldered every pin. It wasn't that hard, I just touched it up just barely, a tiny bit on each side. Okay, so here you can see my code, and on the side you can see my setup, I guess. Now we just run my app. Now, boom, you seeing that? The little LED is not working. And now if I run my reset code, reset pins, boom, now it's off. Oh, yeah, well, maybe I'm not gonna be able to fix this. Cool. I think we can just do this. Okay, so I cut the wires now and put the battery in, so. 3, 2, 1. Turn it off. Okay, that shit's loud as fuck. But as you can see, it's working, so. Boom. As to how we're gonna generate the heat, I was thinking of just using the graphite from this pencil, because apparently that's just a good way to generate heat. I think so, I'm not sure. We were gonna try it anyways. Bro, just let me do my thing. Okay, so I'm flipping the switch, alright? What is happening? Kibes is like hot. The wires are there. It should be burning. Oh my fucking god, that is crazy. So it has way too much resistance, so I have to cut a smaller piece or a thinner piece. Steel wool, which should ignite easily. Okay, so this is kind of the finished circuit. I haven't attached the clock, but this is the setup. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Holy shit, what the fuck? Turns out the transistor was way too small and was not rated for high current, so that's why the transistor was burning. And as for the fire, that, I don't even know, I guess that's just pure luck. Alright, so after looking online for better heat sources, I found that Nicron wire is very good, as you can see on the screen. But there was only one problem. It's I don't have any Nicron wire, so naturally I went to look on YouTube to how to find it, and then I found this. So naturally, after seeing that clip, I ran and got my old and fucked up iron, and it went about as expected. Okay, so we have finally received the MOSFET, so now we can actually short the 9 volt battery through it. So now I'm gonna make a new circuit, because this one should be way cleaner and way more, I don't know, just better. This is like fucking not doing anything. Why? Oh, that's good. That's what I'm talking about. Not hot again. And turn off. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy fuck. But yeah, we're gonna test it out now. So hopefully it just kinda does its thing. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we can try it out. Fuck, I'm kinda scared. Okay. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Holy shit, my heart is beating. Yo. I didn't know I was gonna fucking do that. Alright boys, so I am taking the title of the modern Oppenheimer. See? Yeah, you saw that? Yes. Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay guys, so we are here in Antarctica. We will try to blow it up now, okay?
Hey, oh my god.